We have 5 workshops and 12 production lines for paper cups, with an annual output of more than 600 million. The factory adopts dust-free workshop. In a cup, the coated base paper is punched and reshaped. Infrared automatically detects the quality of the cup mouth and bottom. Outer cup flexographic printing first and then laminating, to avoid staining inside the cup, which is more hygienic. Inner cup and outer sticker are bonded and assembled. Measuring caliber, water leakage detection. Second, cardboard packaging to reduce transportation damage. Warehouse. Please contact me if you need us.